Hello, this is Patron Statistical, and in today's video I am giving you a quick update as to how I went on the third day of the ASX Stock Market game. I have now made a total of $608.37. So as you can see, I'm just holding the stocks that didn't go into profit and sold off the ones that did go into profit, which is why I was able to increase the amount of money I've got now from yesterday. So I'll just go into my transactions so you can see the transactions I had for the day. So I managed to sell Kogan for $789.791, and that actually ended above that, so I sold too early. It's hard to tell when to sell, and it could have gone easily the other way. It could have started dropping instead of going up. So I'll just go to the watch list, and you can see the price for Kogan, KGN, is now at $8.13, but it was up to $8.20. So it's gone up 5.16%, and if I had sold it even at $8.13, it would have been over $1,000 in profit on the third day. So I'm going back to the transactions. Also sold AWC. That went into profit, so I was able to make a slight profit on that as well as selling S32 for a slight profit. But tomorrow I'm going to take my mother shopping, and so it'll be more difficult to make money because you really need to sit in front of the computer and wait for that company to go into profit, and then when you achieve a reasonable profit margin to sell. Brings us to the end of my short video. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike it, give it a thumbs down. Or if you really like it, subscribe to my channel Patron Statistical. Thank you for watching.